Hey y'all, this is your girl Andrea Nicole, and I am back with another video. As y'all can already read, y'all already read this title. That's the reason why y'all clicked on it. I am showing y'all the new headband wig I got from UNice Hair, and I must say, like, it's very effortless. It's like I'm really feeling the vibes. Like, I'm feeling it, okay? Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. However, I did not purchase this wig with my own money, but yes, I love this wig, and I must say, even prior to collaborating with UNice, I have always loved their hair. I purchased their hair with my own money. Their hair quality is always good, and the thickness of the wigs is always really good. It always looks so natural. I am so happy, and I'm so just like ecstatic that UNice wanted to collaborate with me, and we're just gonna go ahead and roll into this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, give me a like, comment, and like I said, subscribe. And yes, y'all, this wig is bomb. Like I said, it's very effortless. Like, what? Like, this is that, okay? I have fell in love with this wig, and yes, y'all, this wig is bomb. It's bomb. I'm loving it, y'all. I really am. Like, oh my god, y'all, I am loving this. Like, tell me it don't look natural. Tell me it don't look natural. Tell me it don't look natural. What? You said, huh? What? Who? Like, the bun is like very messy, which I'm really feeling it. I do need to put some more bobby pins in there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and roll into this video. Let me stop talking. All right. Hey y'all, so here I am, no wig on, cornrows, straight cornrows, and I'm doing my intro. I know it's a hot mess in here, but please excuse the mess. I just want to come on here and do this quick video for y'all. This is the wig that I received from, let me turn my light down because it's on right here, from UNice Hair. This is the packaging. Please ignore the get this lighting right, like, okay, there we go. Please ignore all the, like, the beat up part of the box, because that is not UNice's fault. It is FedEx, because they obviously was throwing the package around. But so it comes in this box, and I did went ahead and unpackaged it just because I wanted to make sure that it was the hair that I ordered. So this is actually the headband wig. It comes in a net, of course, but like I said, I've already unboxed it, so it's out of the net. But it looks like this. This is the headband part, and then on the inside of the wig it has, okay, so it's two combs, one in the front and one in the back. That's the inside of it. It looks almost like a half wig, and this is the curly texture. I will have all the specs down in the description box for y'all because I cannot remember the exact length that I ordered, but I know it is the curly hair. And I will say, I have ordered UNice hair before with my own money, and I love the fullness of their wigs. Their wigs are always so full, and the hair texture, the hair quality is always really good. So I'm excited to try this wig. It is very low maintenance, so if you're a girl like me and you just want to throw on a wig and go about your day, this is the wig for you. You don't have to glue it down, you don't have to do any baby hairs, you don't have to do any of that, because literally it's just a headband. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. Oh, sorry, no I'm not. Came with this little goodie bag. Let's see what they put in here. So first thing they put are some wig caps, which I will be using. They also put on nail wraps, some nail stickers, and some lashes. Okay, nice little container. They look like that. Yo, these are like one of the best lashes I've ever seen from a hair company. Let me see. They look like that. Cute, cute, Eunice, cute. Sent this, which is the head wrap that you will put on for your wig. It looks like this. I love the pattern on it. It's very cute. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the wig. Let me move this camera back some. So it also has like this little strap in the back. So I'm guessing you can make the headband tighter. This is my first time ever trying this wig, so please bear with me. Okay, cool. Let me throw this baby on. Just want to make sure I got it on nice and secure. And you can, like I said, use that comb in the front. I'm not, but I do like to use the one in the back. And let me flip this up. I'm gonna put a little ponytail so I can like clip the back. Okay. Ooh. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I could wear this wig to work. It's very low maintenance. Okay. And so y'all can see the back. So you're gonna take these two little flaps and just like that. This is cute. Like, I'm loving the little bun. I might actually do like a little cute little bun. Yes, I'm loving that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the headband over it. Okay, so we got that. Y'all, this is cute. I'm loving this kind of look. Oh my God, yes. Y'all, this is cute. I'm loving this. Like, it's so effortless. But I'm gonna show y'all how it looks down. Just, ooh. Y'all, it's not, I haven't even wet it. Like, I actually like it in the more fuller state. Yes. And like I said, the hair quality is so good. I'm loving the length too. Like, I feel like this is a great length because it makes it look very natural. Yes, I'm loving this. So cute. So I'm gonna move that back a little bit just so that track isn't showing as much, but then, okay, there we go. It is cute. I'm loving this, y'all. I really am. Like, this is really cute. Okay, and like I said, you could throw it up in a bun, which that's probably what I'm gonna do today. Just because I have some errands to run and stuff, and I have some things to do today. But I actually like it in this texture. Like, I really don't want to wet it. I'm gonna wet it at the end just because I'm gonna throw it up in a ponytail. No, I'm not gonna wet this hair. Like, I love this texture. If you want to wet the hair, feel free, sweetheart, to wet it, but I'm not gonna wet it because I like this. Like, I like the fullness of it, and like the texture is really nice. I'm loving this wig. Like, for real, I can't even stress it enough. Like, it looks so natural. Like, especially like, y'all, my makeup looks good, the hair looks good. Like, I'm just feeling like this is a look. Like, this is just a look, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up in a bun. again, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more neat, I guess. Let's see. Or maybe I should do a high bun. Yeah, I should do a high bun because this ain't it. I don't know. I like that bun I had earlier. Maybe I was just like, I'm just like all over the place. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a couple bobby pins and pin it up. Y'all, what? I'm loving this move. I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. Just because I've never tried the wig, you know, like I wasn't scared about the quality of the hair. I knew the quality was gonna be, you know, superb, but I just never tried it. So I was like, dang, like how am I gonna do this video? Y'all, you know, spray it out a little bit, make it a little bit messy, and boom, like you ready to go, sweetie. You are ready to go. Let me see if I can tuck this in the back, just so that thing isn't showing. I actually want to pull a couple of those hairs down, make it look a little bit more messy. Yeah, this is the wig, sweetie. I hope y'all like this video. Like I already said, I will leave all the specs, the link to this wig down in the description box for y'all. And yes, y'all, I am so excited. This is cute, y'all. I'm giving cute vibes. Cute vibes. Like, I almost don't want to stop recording because, like, I'm really feeling myself. What? You said who? What? What? Where? Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, y'all. But I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.